Welcome back, student. We have already completed the part number 11 of lesson 5, the principle of inheritance. Today our topic is mutation. First of all, I do want to explain you about what is called mutation and how the mutation can take place. First of all, suppose there is a DNA. It is a DNA, and this DNA has some particular arrangement of nucleotides. In a DNA, there are two pairs of nucleotide. Adenine pair with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. Once again repeating, just wait, understand it. This is the DNA. The DNA has several nucleotide which make a ladder like appearance. Ladder like. Suppose it is adenine, just opposite to adenine there will be thymine. Adenine will arrange by double bond. It is a double bond with thymine. Similarly, this is a guanine. It will pair with cytosine. Suppose it is a cytosine, it pair with guanine. This is a thymine, it pair with adenine. So these all are the nucleotides. Okay, three nucleotides. Suppose AGA. It is a pair of, it is a triplet of nucleotide. This triplet of nucleotide is called code. These all things will you study in next lesson. So this code actually make a particular code for a particular kind of protein or amino acid. Once again I am repeating it. Three different nucleotide. Suppose CAG, cytosine, adenine and guanine. This together makes a code, and code makes a particular kind of protein. How protein is made, that will be explained by me in next lesson, that is replication, translation and transcription. This will be explained by me later on. First of all, you should understand that DNA have several nucleotides. These nucleotides, the three nucleotides together make a code, and each code makes a amino acid. Amino acid is nothing but the protein, and this amino acid represent this amino acid, single amino acid or a group of amino acid together makes a particular protein, and this particular protein represent a character. Once again, may I repeat it, make you understand. Once again repeating. Three code makes a amino acid. Single amino acid or more than single amino, multiple amino acid together makes a particular kind of protein, and this particular kind of protein represent a particular kind of character, and there are about 30,000 characters we have. So all these 30,000 characters are due to DNA code. Understood? So DNA have millions and millions of code. One code or more than one code makes a particular kind of amino acid. Amino acid forms protein. Protein forms character, and character is about 30,000 in our body. So all those characters that is represented or shown in our body is due to DNA, or the nucleotide that is present in the DNA, and the nucleotide, the triple nucleotide makes a particular kind of code, and code makes the amino acid. So I think you understood how DNA represent a particular kind of character in our body. Now we are going to study what is called mutation. Suppose the DNA has a particular kind of arrangement of nucleotides. Somehow this single pair of nucleotide just alter, means this nucleotide come to this side and this nucleotide come to this side. It also cause mutation, means change in DNA arrangement, sudden change in the DNA. A single shift DNA, a single DNA nucleotide just alter, and this altered DNA can also cause the alteration in character. I think you understood. Similarly, if a piece of DNA cut or an extra DNA segment get attached, both also called mutation. So any minor or major changes that happens in the DNA cause the mutation, and mutation do not allow the particular kind of DNA to produce a particular kind of protein, and thus if the particular kind of protein is not formed, it will cause different kind of abnormalities in our body, and these abnormalities are nothing but called mutation. So mutation is nothing but the minor changes or major changes that happens in the DNA sequence. Let's study. So what is mutation? Mutation is the phenomenon which result in the alteration of DNA sequence, and consequently result in change in the genotype and phenotype due to alteration in DNA or its nucleotide. Anyhow, what may be the kind of alteration happens, the genotype and phenotype character can have changed. Understood? So this is called mutation. I think you understand. In addition to recombination happens during crossing over, that has been already taught by me in the last classes. Mutation is another cause of variation in human being. Mutation is one of the most important cause of variation. So we have already read that the variation caused due to sexual reproduction, that is crossing over, and also due to mutation, that is alteration in the DNA sequence or number of DNA or number of chromosome. Also we will study all these things in large. Just wait. So the loss or gain of segment of DNA cause the alteration in chromosome. Since genes are known as located on the chromosomes, alteration in chromosome result in the abnormality. If the DNA will change, then chromosome automatically change, alter, and the alteration of chromosome cause abnormality or abbreviation. Are you understanding? So if there is a minor or major change in the chromosome, this cause abnormalities or abbreviation, means certain unwanted changes. I think you understood. Next, the chromosomal aberration is commonly may cause cancer. If there is aberration occurs sometimes, not majorly, all the kind of cancer that is taken place is due to chromosomal aberration, means number of chromosome has been changed, or DNA change, or something has been happened that causes the alteration of the chromosome, and this alteration of chromosome causes cancer or different kind of mutation. So cancer is one of the good example of mutation. I think you understood. In addition to the above, mutation can also arise due to the single base pair, alteration of the single base pair. As I already told, that there is a DNA, and suppose A and U is there, A and G is there. Sorry. Suppose there is a DNA and A is paired with T over here. Due to any reason, T has gone this side. At this place T has come, and at this place A has come. So a single nucleotide gets changed, and this single nucleotide changing is also a kind of mutation, and this is called a point mutation. So in addition of above, mutation also arises due to the change of single base pair. The single nucleotide changing is called single base pair changing. Is also called point mutation. The classical example of point mutation is the sickle cell anemia. I will explain what is the main cause of sickle cell anemia. Just wait. Later on, what is called deletion or frame shift mutation. If suppose there is a chromosome, suppose this is a chromosome, and this one is also a pair of chromosome. Somehow this piece of chromosome has cut from there and stick on this place. So in the next phase, this chromosome remain very small and this chromosome become big. So frame shift means a piece of a chromosome has cut from one part and go to the another, or somehow it has been destroyed. So if a piece of chromosome either be gained or lost, called also mutation, and this mutation is called frame shift mutation. Just have a look. Deletion, either deleted or insertion or get sticked of the base pair of DNA, cause frame shift mutation. Just a piece, frame means piece, has shifted from a deleted portion to undeleted portion. So deletion is also a cause of mutation, and insertion means sticking is also a cause of mutation. So however, there are many chemicals that cause the mutation. There are many physical factors also a cause of mutation. There is many chemicals also cause the mutation, and these things which cause the mutation and induce mutation are called mutagens. Mutagens means agents which cause mutation. It may be some chemicals or physical factors. Just I am giving a very good example over here. UV ray, ultraviolet ray, can also alter the base pair of DNA and can cause the skin cancer. So it is also a kind of mutation, and that is induced by UV rays. Similarly, you have seen so many people use tobacco in their mouth, and they have some kind of cancer in their mouth. So the cancer is caused due to tobacco. There is some chemical that is present in the tobacco that change the DNA of the mouth and cause the cancer of that place. So it is also a kind of mutagen. I think you have understood these things. Later we will study about genetic disorder in our next class. Just wait and enjoy the learning over here. Thank you. Bye bye. Remember to complete the homework on time.